How to download Adobe Photoshop for free on Windows. To get started, head down and click the link in the description down below. Now we're going to be on the official Adobe website. We're going to head up to the top left hand side, click on Creativity and Design, and under Featured Products we're going to select Photoshop. Now you can see all the amazing features that Photoshop has to offer. Let's get your download started. So we're going to head to the bottom and click on the free trial button, and then we're going to choose between Photoshop and Creative Cloud Pro. If you want the best value and you want to try out all the other apps that Adobe have to offer, go for Creative Cloud Pro. We're going to try out all the Adobe apps, so we're going to select the Creative Cloud Pro because we like getting the best value for our money. Then there are 3 subscription options: monthly, annual build monthly, and annual prepaid. Annual build monthly will be a little bit cheaper, but be careful because if you cancel before the full year is up, then there are cancellation fees that apply. If you're not sure you want to want it for the entire year, just start with the monthly only option. It's a little bit more expensive, but you can cancel at any time for no fee. Then we're going to add in the 7-day free trial of Adobe stock, because why not, when you get 10 free standard assets, and you can cancel it if you don't want to continue with it. Once we've made our selections, click the blue continue button. Then we're going to check all the figures are right, check that your due now is 0, so you're actually getting access to it for free, and then check when your 7-day free trial ends and how much you will be charged when the 7-day free trial ends. Once you've checked everything, enter your email address and click the blue continue button. Then we're going to enter our payments information, and that's going to start the download of Creative Cloud Pro, and then you can open up on your Windows computer and we can start downloading Photoshop. If you get stuck anywhere along the way, then please let us know in the comment section down below and we'll be happy to help you out. Thanks for watching, and we hope you enjoy Photoshop as much as we do.